Nito lamang nakaraan ay nagbalik bansa na nga si Bibi Gandang Hari kung saan ay dito niya na din masayang ipinagdiwang ang kanyang ika-57th birthday nitong September 4, isang birthday surprise party nga ang inihanda sa kanya ng kanyang kapatid na si Robin Padilla at ng buong Padilla family. Ginanap ang kanyang engranding birthday celebration sa kanilang bahay sa Museo de Padilla sa Quezon City kung saan dinaluhan ng buong family Padilla at ng iilang malalapit na kaibigan nito sa labas at loob ng showbiz. Kabilang sa mga spotted sa party sina Mariel Padilla, Kylie Padilla, Nadia Montenegro, Pops Fernandez, Jay Manalo at marami pang iba. Narito panuurin natin ang mga videos na naibahagi mula sa ika-57th birthday celebration ni Bibi Gandang Hari.
This night, as it's happening, it's been the happiest moment of my life.
Wow!
No exaggeration. This is basically the best, the biggest party I ever had. And it's the only surprise I ever had in my life. I never thought I would ever have a surprise. But Ton, you are the best. Mariel and Robin, thank you very much for putting up this party, and all of us are enjoying. Please enjoy having meron pa tayong pababols. How's that? So anyways, thank you, Pop, for coming. I love you. Thank you. Of course, Joy, Marjorie, marami pang iba. Hindi ko na isa-isa din. Pero yung grupo ni Robbie dyan, yung SRP group, maraming salamat sa inyo. You bring back so much nostalgia in me. Thank you. Thank you, Mariel. Thank you niya kahit isang dyan, tumutulo ang sipon niya tapos. So thank you. And Mama, this is for you. So of course, wala dito, pero maraming salamat. And for all of you na nag-enjoy with us, thank you. And sa inyong lahat, maraming sa inyo, but you really make this birthday more
And you're
memorable.
looking beautiful, Miss Bibi Gandang.
Thank you. So let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Surprise na yan. Surprise. Surprise yan. Naka-video. Sa Rolex na yan. Si Mama naman yun. Ano nga ba ako? Si Mama yun. Oo. Hindi niya alam ko.
Okay, Mama.
Oo. Yung kwento mo. Kwento mo. Kapag magkano ka, oo.
Cover na cover. Ano na nakita?
After 1 year, talaga ako. Ikaw!